Right then, something definitely different for me. It's a non-car related vlog. There's no vehicle in sight. So this is the new unit. We've just finished building this full row and pretty much all of them are rented out now. There's one still spare, but that's got some plans for later on. That might end up being another vlog, so we'll see. But the other ones are all rented out anyway. There's a race team in one and a few other random companies in others, but nobody uses a car park, which is good for us. So as you can see, we've already got the sign up on this one, so we're ready to start basically kitting out what's going to be a paint shop. We've always wanted to have our own paint shop, and this was a perfect opportunity. So we'll go inside and see what's what. So as you can see, we've painted all the walls inside, painted everything. It's either DARKSIDE grey, or this should have been grey, but it looks more white than grey. But we'd already painted it, we weren't doing any more. Probably a week's worth of work, maybe even more, just to paint the walls, so it weren't quick. The only thing we've got hardware wise in here at the minute, we've got the Mark compressor, which that was from George and Jack at Air Supply again, which they always help us out. We race with them as well, so that's pretty good. Not got any airline set up yet at the minute because we're not using it. But then we have got the Miracle Pull system. I think we've done a bit of a video using this before, so Daniel cut something in showing what we've done and how it all works. But basically you can repair quite a decent panel, like a big, really big, horrible, crushed and dinted panel with that, rather than chopping it out and putting a new panel in, which is what a lot of people do. We've got the movable extraction system, which that's been used when we're sorting out the arches on the Golf. We've finally made that look a little bit better. But yeah, at the minute, it's an empty unit. We're not a lot in. I think the toilets are all sorted now and all painted. Just need to get some gloss paint on this door. That's one thing. It needs a bit of a tidy up in here and a bit of a paint, but it's ready to start kitting it out. So the next job that we're waiting on is the spray booth. We need to get the spray booth in, which that's going to be. It's going to start about here somewhere. About here, and it's going to come round to, I think there's a mark on the floor somewhere, I think, yeah, somewhere about here. It's going to be about to here, so it's quite a big one. It's going to be 3.1 metres tall, I think it is, so we'll still be able to get a big van in there as well. The gas bottles for the heater are going to be round the back of the building, so they're not going to be inside or in the car park anywhere, so we're not going to take up any room that we shouldn't take up. So once we've got the final little finishing touches here and the booth's all sorted, I suppose we'll start doing some more videos on how we're going to set it up, how we're going to do things, why we've chose certain things. Not really to tell people how to set up a body shop, because what we're probably going to need is more people telling us what we should be using and what we should be doing, because we're pretty new to this. We've got a good painter on board, but he likes to paint cars, not kit out units and run a business. So if anybody's got any ideas that they want to give us, any suggestions, this is what you should do, this is what you shouldn't do, avoid this, do that, then we're more than welcome to accept people's opinions and ideas. And if you're just wrong or you're talking rubbish, we'll just ignore you. But like I say, we always like to listen to other people's opinions. So yeah, I don't think I've missed anything out, but we'll see how it all unfolds, and we'll see what it becomes. Interesting times.